Greetings to the teachers here, to the dignitaries, and to my dear friends. In these years in our school, we have ascertained that the noblest and the toughest task in our society lies in the hands of our schools. Very rarely do we see in an individual the capacity for rigorous thought and the strength for honorable action. Nevertheless, it is to this task that our schools dedicate themselves.
Jane, today I stand before this gathering, this assembly of people. I find the rarest sight available of human spirit and mind. Not one nor a few, but many individuals, teachers and students, imported in the spirit of duty, devotion and discipline.
I dare say that in this honorable pursuit of shaping a strong character, our school has indeed succeeded. Every parting and separation, however necessary it might be, involves great sorrow and greater hope for the uncertain future ahead.
Some students I see around have lived their childhood in between these walls, and for some it's called home away from home.
Nevertheless, we are confident that however tough the road may be, with the teachings of our teachers, with the lessons learned from our friends, and with the hardships learned in severe times, we are now capable of fighting all that might come our way.
There are days when I wanted to leave, but now that thought just makes me weep.
But Ananya, today isn't a day to weep, but instead to celebrate the memorable journey of our school lives. Soon we'll graduate school and leave for college, and soon after that, the people that we grew up with, that became our friends, will no longer be just a quick 10 minutes away. Going to see them will become a road trip.
There won't be any more late night texting to your friend to meet for sushi or ice creams. No more sprinting to class so that you won't get another tarty. No more going to eat all together after games. No more lunches spent with your best friends. No more listening to your principal every single day. No more homecomings. No more dress code. No more screaming at the top of your lungs every Saturday night. I know it's cliche, but it's true. High school really does fly by.
The beauty of the school lies in giving individuals an opportunity to evolve. The petals of vistas gradually unfold with the sunshine of knowledge. I still remember my nursery days, coming to school like a snail, completely unwilling, and today equally unwilling to go from here. I never realized that my heart lies there. Country road, take me home, to the place I belong. Yes, this place I so strongly belong to. Never realized like this before. This journey has been simply magical. From kindergarten to senior secondary, from Mirchi 2007 to Mind Rocks 2019, years spent here is full of sweet memories. All of us grew up singing the line, "We are children of Sunbeam, over the whole world we'll shine." A wise teacher once said aloud, "Success is failure turned inside out." So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. Now I would like to call Ayushi and Utkarsh for the further proceed.
Reach high for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. Today is a special and a memorable occasion, one that we'll never forget in the years ahead. It is honored to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship of this gracious occasion.
The galaxy of intellectuals, dignitaries, teachers, and my friends, a pleasant afternoon and Jai Hind to you all. May the excitement of today enthuse you, may its enchantment surround you, and may the fellowship that we share create happy memories. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all.
The fragrance of flowers spreads only in direction of winds, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. This thought reminds me of such an inspiring personality amongst us, that is Archer Manser, who had battled against all odds and has reached the pinnacle of success. He has always been inspiring to us and has always been motivating to us. His selfless service to the nation building as an administrative officer was also noteworthy. He always tries to uplift the downtrodden, elevate ignorance by conducting awareness drives and infuse hope among people. We are very fortunate to have you, sir, today with us.
The more you take responsibilities of your past and present, the more you are able to create the future you see. It is my turn to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to our respected Director Ma'am. It is your sense of commitment and your devotion which creates an apt platform for us to grow both mentally and spiritually. On this festa of floral and glow of gorgeous readings here at Symphony, we are blessed to have you with us, ma'am.
One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has confidence to stand alone. The courage to take tough decisions and compassion to listen to others is an art of this eminent and elegant personality. Yes, our very own Assistant Director, ma'am. She becomes a special one by quality of her action and integrity of her intent. Her endless care, guidance and supports prove that she is a great leader, showing motherly love, giving fatherly confidence. With a thankful heart, we welcome you, ma'am.
Dream big, work hard, and stay humble. What else can truly define Honorary Director Sir's personality? From his warm smile to his robust physique, Harsh Sir has always inspired young minds in his own way. We will ever remain grateful to you, sir. Thank you.
I remember Sandeep sir once quoting, "Keep going and one day you will for surely reach your destination, but don't forget to start." I feel every intellectual sitting over here must have started long back and would reach their destination in few years from now. Sir, your eminent personality has always inspired us and incorporated us the duty, devotion and discipline. Your presence, the gentle way of appreciation is a source of encouragement for all of us. Thank you, sir, for all those.
Now I would request Chairman Sir and Assistant Director Ma'am to kindly ascend the stage and receive a token of love from our side.
We need someone to simply be there, not to fix anything or to do anything in particular, but just to let us feel that we are cared for and supported. Here's a big thank you to the backbone of Sunbeam Bhagwanpur, Gurmeet ma'am, for never letting us down, for helping us, for your support and always being there for us. Your performances, whether it was on Children's Day or farewell, has always been very special. So thank you ma'am for making ordinary moments extraordinary for us.
The very genuine person who never fails to understand us and love us unconditionally. Your presence is so powerful and your smile will always be remembered in our heart. You have always been a helping hand to us, whether it is about any event inside the school or outside. So thank you so much, Shefali ma'am, for being a strong supporter for us.
This person thinks less of herself and instead of taking the limelight, takes over the backstage work more enthusiastically. We are simply amazed and awed by the tableaus you have set for us, whether it is on 15th August or 26th January. Thank you, Prerna ma'am. The creativity and thought that goes behind the making of program is simply inspirational and it sets you apart from the rest.
The love and care that you have showered on us in our tender years, the manner in which you have opened our stars to learn, the ability that you have infused in us to keep learning from books and surrounding is simply amazing. The stepping stones to success is laid down in kindergarten. Truly, Vibha ma'am, we will remain ever indebted to you.
The sweetest person who is very special and close to each one of us. For any of our problems, we just have another home of ours in the school. You have always motivated us. Thank you, Saroj ma'am, for everything you have done for us. Your motherly love and care has made school a very special place for us.
Now we invite Gurmeet ma'am, Shefali ma'am, Prerna ma'am, Vibha ma'am, Etishyam sir, Satyanand sir, Deepa ma'am, Moshmi ma'am, Saroj ma'am, Anita ma'am, Aarti ma'am, Neelam ma'am, Suparna ma'am, Rajiv sir to accept the token.
Who is a class teacher? A class teacher is a person who helps us to solve problems and we would have been never here without him. And this whole year of our class 12F journey, Pawan sir was the one who has been our mentor and played the role of our class teacher.
We may not remember everything you said, but we will remember how special you made us feel. Thank you for smiling and laughing with us and reassuring our efforts, trials and mistakes.
So, we never got any chance to thank you, to express our feelings towards you, and you always thank your own self on behalf of us.
And so, neither is today Tuesday nor Saturday, but we will try our best to make this Thursday special for you.
From partners, admission to dissolution of the firm,
From pro rata allotment to redemption of debentures.
you were the person
person who taught us these complex chapters so easily as if it was just a piece of cake.
You also gave us the moral and the basis for the new chapter of our life.
We never realized the true essence behind your thought of the day then, but now we truly realize and understand your motive behind imparting us those thoughts.
You have been the pillar of our class, who has always motivated us to work hard and to give our best.
So, while teaching, when someone interrupted in between by coming late in class and you gave your ironical statement as a punishment like
Welcome, and then give them a standing ovation, which has always been the great break from those lengthy accountancy questions. And this never-ending list includes many more such entertaining cases of our class.
So, our feelings for you are more than these little words can express.
Thank you, sir, from the core of our heart, and making 12 days a prestigious memory in our hearts.
A person with an infectious smile, energy that is contagious, and a charismatic personality. Commendable in his ability to teach his students with perfection. He has a special ability to maintain a sweet bitter relationship with his students.
I am sure most of you may have guessed by now. Let me make it easier by adding, he has sworn to Adam Smith, holds wealth of the nation as his Bible. Hard work is his fund of success.
His style of teaching has an immense passion which inspires us a lot.
The way he simplifies complexity of subject keeps us in awe of his abilities. The best quality that we found about him is that he cares about each and every student.
He is a pillar of strength and all of us love him a lot. He is not a teacher but a facilitator for us. He is our beloved one and only Vikas sir. We love you, sir.
That's all. Rest we'll discuss tomorrow.
Unseen and hear the unheard. These lines truly define a class teacher as well as business studies teacher Sanjay sir.
These 2 years spent under his guidance made us realize that not only marks matter, what matters more than marks is what type of human being you are. The values you have in yourself to be different from the crowd.
He has a unique way to teach each and every topic through a practical illustrations and daily life examples.
In these 2 years, he was not only a teacher for us, he was a FGP, a friend, guide and philosopher who always helped us to choose the right path of the beautiful journey of life.
It is not always easy to change a student's life, which is why it takes a great teacher to do so, and Sanjay sir is one of them. Thank you, sir, for being with us at every point of time in these 2 years.
We would like to end our words with a short point for sir.
As a teacher,
You are the best.
you shine above
All the rest.
so accept our thanks.
For all you did
We are lucky.
to have you with us.
How can we thank you?
For very special days.
Thank you for 2019.
Very, very special days.
An apple for our teacher
Would never be enough.
for teaching us about the world.
And lots of other stuff.
Thank you.
A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. And our English teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. Pratit sir, we thank you for making our vocabulary so strong and the way you brought us back to text when we were tired from full day studies.
The loveliest teacher of all times. Thanks for helping us and being available for each and every problem we had. We still remember the first word you taught us, chisel. You're truly an amazing English teacher who is hard to find, harder to leave and is impossible to forget. Thank you, Pradyut sir.
We do not get to choose a subject when we take up a specific stream, but this is the subject that one chooses as per interest and will.
This education not only prepares people to work as an artist, musicians, sportsperson, but also a well-informed, a well-being citizen and good human being.
Your real-world knowledge and practical teachings had made us all competent in our fields.
So thank you teachers for your motivation, knowledge, guidance and support. Thank you Nilesh sir, Shashi sir, Shivanand sir, Madhuri ma'am, Neha ma'am, Rinku ma'am, Harpreet ma'am and SP Arora sir.
Ajay Mishra sir, Mangla sir, Paikrai sir, Shipra ma'am, Sukalpa ma'am, Manjulata ma'am, Pushpalata ma'am, Vinay sir and Pradyuman sir. We are privileged to have you dear teachers as our mentors. Thank you all.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. The first category is of our carefree people of our class who are always blissful, jovial and keeps on entertaining us.
Top of our class, who is always wandering in our corridors, she is none other than Oshi Yadav.
Now introducing the Tom and Jerry of our class who
problems and is figure of fun ridicule is none other than Shashank Dubey.
Now introducing the risk taker of our class, to whom the lines Kar Har Maidan Fateh suits the most. Let us call Shashwat Verma, who got the Panch Pyare Award in Protsahan.
One of the most hilarious students of our class, who loves to crack to a joke, is none other than Sohad Keshri.
Now comes Mr. Planner, who plans everything before doing that. He is none other than Siddharth Tolani.
Devil's advocate of our class, who is rarely found in our class, is none other than Gaurav Jaiswal.
Now here, I call upon all-rounders of our class. They have performed well in co-curricular and academics. Humorous girl of our class, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi Verma has worked more than 8 years and has been a part of IYCC 2019. Secret guitarist of our class, Ananya. Ananya has won several prizes in art and oratory competition and is a great orator. Punjaban girl of our class, Nidhi. Nidhi had participated in many cultural events and she has won prize in budget dissemination. Social worker of our class, Utkarsh. Utkarsh has several prizes in group discussion, commerce-based budget dissemination and etc. William Bird Smith of our class, Ashutosh. Ashutosh has actively participated in several debates and is an inspiration to the emerging debaters in our school. Education is the passport to the future for tomorrow, belongs to those who prepare for it today.
Academics is an essential part of our school life and every student desires to perform their best in it. But only some of the students are able to excel in academics.
So, calling upon some of the excellent academic performers of our class.
Here we have Snow White of our class, Anjali. Anjali secured 3rd position in debate Mind Rocks.
Angry Bird of our class, Vedika Rastogi. Vedika participated in debate, Mind Rocks and Entreventure. Calling upon the Chulbul Pandey of our class, favorite of every teacher, Manas Agarwal.
The cutie pie of our class, Mahi Rai. Mahi secured 3rd position in debate Mind Rocks.
Now we have the Chupa Rustam of our class who is standing just beside me. Please give a big hand for Khushi.
Strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. So, here are some of our classmates who have sportsman spirit within them.
Rahim Sultan of our class, Rahul Jaiswal, who is also known as Charlie Star of our class, went to CBSE cluster at bronze medal in table tennis and was also the head boy for the session 2018-19.
Born entrepreneur Nilesh Rai is the Stephen Roger of our class, was the mentor of our class, has a leadership spirit and is also a district boxing player.
The boxer of our class, Sumit Rai, a foodie guy, is also known as Babu Rao of our class. He never let his friend do stupid things alone. He always accompanied them. He also went to CBSE cluster and had qualified for quarters in boxing.
Gentleman of our class, Ankur Singh Chauhan, who is good in sports as well as good dancer too.
Michael Jordan of our class, Sudhanshu Singh, was the captain of the school basketball team twice and was also the semi-finalist in the CBSE cluster.
Shivam Raj, a secret superstar of our class. He participated in Nav Sadhna in group song. He is a good dancer and has a creative nature too.
The Salman Khan of our class, Aditya Verma, is a fitness freak and a gym boy of our class with the most word sleep of music begins. It is a key to soul, which triggers positive thoughts and good memories.
So here we begin with the melodious songsters of our class.
The hummingbird of our class, Ms. Bhavya Garg. She has got first position in group song. She has always been performing in many musical events. Also, she has been a part of council as vice head girl of hostel.
The Ptolemy of our class, Swati Jaiswal. She performed in many cultural activities and secured first position in conflict resolution.
The Arijit Singh of our class. He is none other than Master Pratik Devnath. He has always been told for his hairstyle. Also, he was the winner of Kuch Got Talent.
The elegant beauty of our class, Vaishnavi Srivastava. She performed in many cultural activities and secured third position in Mind Rock for Turncoat.
The starstruck of our class. She is none other than Shruti Singh. She is a very sincere student and actively participated in many cultural events.
The guitarist of our class, Mayank Seth. He has participated in many open mic sessions.
The nightingale of our class, Miss Sapna Kumari, a girl with a very pleasant voice. She has participated in many cultural activities.
The ambitious girl of our class, Nivedita. She performed in many cultural activities and is a friendly classmate.
Dance is the physical expression of the human mind and spirit.
There are some great dancers in our class who are not just great because of their technique, but they are great because of their passion.
The dancing doll of our class, Tanu Pandey, who is learning dance since she was just 4 years old. She has been leading in many of the dance performances.
The drama queen, Manasvi Savo, who secured second position in semi-classical dance in Navsavna and third position in maths quiz.
The Hitler monitor of our class, Shreya Sarraf, she also secured second position in Nav Sadhana and she was a very responsible monitor throughout the session.
The Bengali beauty, Surbi Bagchi, a Kathak dancer who has always mesmerized us with her expression and mood. She secured first position in debate.
The Willy Wonka of our class, who cannot stand still, a girl with dancing legs, Nandini Agrawal. She got National Participation Certificate in French Olympiad.
An artist reveals through their heart. So here we, Surbi and Shruti, would like to call upon artists of our class who have always shown their keen interest and active participation in all art events. Raksha is very helping and friendly in nature and very particular when it comes to painting. So here we present Bhadria of our class. He is a joyous person and a silent player. So here we present one and only Rishi Kumar Sharma. When it comes to art, she owns the stage. So here we present Picasso of our class, Radhika. She is the most adorable person of our class and a girl with a sweet voice. If you are in trouble, Surbi Narodra is there for you. So here we present Panda of our class. Thank you.
Literature is an expression of society just like the word is the expression of human beings.
So here we would like to call upon the literatures of our class who have always shown their keen interest and active participation in all literature events, and they are
The laborious girl of our class, Surbi Kumari. She is hardworking in nature and an amazing person.
Sarojini Naidu of our class, Arshita Dubey. She is a good orator with sharing and caring nature.
The laughing Buddha of our class, Harshit Agrawal. Happy face with a kind heart, a foodie and a
Heart hacker of our class, Mayank Jaswal. He is a fun-loving boy with helping nature.
Our smile seems to have a favorable influence upon others and makes one likable and more approachable.
Here are the smiling faces of our class. Confident and beautiful, she is for there in a perfect combination. Here we call ever smiling girl, Muskan Khatri.
The sports freak of our class, silent girl with loudest smile, she is Poonam Dubey.
Jian of our class, he is the most warm-hearted person around. Here we call Mehul.
The silent snare of the class, soft and understanding in nature, he is none other than Rhythm.
Cherry Blast of our class, she laughs at her own jokes, humorous, talkative, fun-loving person. She has been awarded first prize in conflict resolution. Here we call Kritika.
The Nobita of the class, cheerful, funny and optimistic, always willing to help his friends in good and bad times. He is Kishan.
Rhythmic girl of our class, one of the sweetest person, extremely hardworking, cute, pretty and crazy. She has been awarded second prize in maths relay. Here is Palak.
He is a person who shows sincerity and hardworking in every aspect. He is great in making friends. The Bluff Master, Shivam Jain.
Happy child of our class, she always generates positive vibes and deals every situation with smile. Here is Rishita Gujarat.
1 million memories, 10,000 inside jokes, 100 shared secrets, 1 reason, best friends. So we introduce to you the best friend duo of our class.
Pragya and Sneha. Pragya and Sneha, with the most beautiful smile and heart of gold, are Cinderella and Malin of our class.
Diksha and Shreya Gupta. Diksha, who is a silent worker with an alluring personality. Shreya Gupta, an enthusiastic and hardworking girl. They are like the Rapunzel and Pascal, who are constantly watching each other's back.
Akash and Vishwas. Akash is incomplete without Vishwas, like Ash is without Pikachu.
Pushti and Sumedha. Pushti, a chirpy, perky, cheerful girl, while Sumedha being a calm, composed and cool-headed person. Together they form the most lovely,
friendship we could ever imagine, like that of Pooh and Piglet. Also, Pushti secured first position in cartoon making.
Now this is the last set of group of students, which include the computer masterminds or the tech group of our class.
So, here comes our technical Guruji, who helped in many school events, run on them unstructured.
Next is Mas Small of our class and the amazing PowerPoint presentation maker, Hilambu Agarwal.
Now, I would like to call Ronaldo of our class, who is also a silent thinker, Rohan Raj.
Now we would like to call Hasmukh Chand of our class, Om Jaiswal. He also got second prize in conflict resolution.
Next is the born CA and our class monitor, Jivesh Agarwal. Now, the IT expert who got second prize in conflict resolution, Harsh Agarwal.
Now it's the hacker of our class, Adit Raj. He has charming fine faces. Thank you.
Thank you.
स्कूल, जहाँ हम सब पहली बार गए थे अपने घर वालों को छोड़कर, दोस्ती करना जहाँ पर सीखा था कुछ नया सा रिश्ता जोड़कर, जहाँ पर सभी रोते हुए आए थे और रुलाता है हमारा आखिरी दिन, क्योंकि आज भी याद आते हैं वो खट्टे मीठे स्कूल के दिन। हर रोज मॉर्निंग में टीचर्स को गुड मॉर्निंग एंड जय हिंद का एक लंबा सा गीत सुनाते थे हम, और टीचर जब भी पीछे मुड़ते तो चुपके से टिफिन खाते थे हम। दोस्तों का टिफिन उनसे पहले ही खत्म कर देते थे हम, और टीचर्स के नए नए नाम बनाते थे हम। वो पेंसिल से पेन में कन्वर्ट होने वाली फीलिंग, फिर कैंटीन के समोसे तो बंकिंग पॉइंट की मीटिंग, कोई पानी पीने जाता तो उसको भी अपनी भी बॉटल पकड़ा देते थे हम। वो वॉशरूम में सबका एक साथ जाना और आधा लेक्चर वहीं बिताना, वो स्कूल के प्रोजेक्ट्स तो कंप्यूटर लैब की बात है। दोस्तों के साथ हर दिन घर आना जाना और फिर घर देर से पहुंचने पर माँ की डांट खाना, वो कॉपी का कवर तो स्टाफ रूम में जाने का डर, बर्थडे पर सबको एक एक चॉकलेट देना और अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को 2 चॉकलेट्स देना, एग्जाम हॉल में दोस्तों के सहारे जाना, कभी आगे वाले से पूछना तो कभी पीछे वाले को दिखाना, और छोटी छोटी लड़ाइयों पर स्कूल से बाहर में ये कह के दूसरों को हड़काना, वो कागज के जहाज, वो लाइब्रेरी की बातें, और कभी कभी ग्रुप फोटो में अपने दोस्तों को गुदगुदा के हंसाते, वो दोस्तों के वादे तो फ्रेंडशिप डे पर आइसक्रीम पॉइंट वाला ठिकाना, छुट्टी में जब घर को जाते तो स्कूल बस की दुनिया पाते, और टीचर्स के उतरते ही हम कितना धमाल मचाते। दिन, महीने, साल, ये सब कब बीत गए समझ ही नहीं गया। हमारी फेयरवेल असेंबली ने आकर हम सबको स्कूल की नींदों से जगाया। इन सभी यादों का बस इतना सा असर होगा कि कभी कभी आप बिना बात के मुस्कुराओगे। Wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Let us promise that we would keep in touch and maintain our beautiful friendship for the rest of the life. Thank you.
Hey Mani, remember the first day we met? Of course, how could I forget the AB4 classroom, economics class. But today is very evocative day. All our classmates are out of sorts. Hey wait, I'm suddenly banged by the fact that this is our farewell assembly. Yeah. Well, this isn't the first time I walked up to the podium to deliver a speech. But as I stand here today, I feel different. A mixed sense of nervousness, nostalgia and anxiety. But above all, for this particular time, I address you all as a student of the school, as a sunbeam. There is a universal truth we all have to face, whether we want to or not. Everything eventually ends. As much as I have looked forward to this day, I have always hated the endings. Last day of summer, the final chapter of a great book, parting ways with a close friend. But endings are inventable. Leaves fall. We close the book. We say goodbye. Today is one of those days for us. Today we say goodbye to everything that was familiar, to everything that was comfortable. But just because we are leaving and that hurts, there are some people who are so much a part of us that they will be with us no matter what. They are our solid ground. They are our North Star. And the small clear voices in our heart will be with us always. No matter wherever we will go, but this excellent journey in Sunbeam and with Sunbeam will always be cherished by us.
Now sadly, we have to say goodbye to you all, and what could be a better way than a song to describe our journey in arts and being.
Thank you, everyone.
I always remember a nice quote, and it says that on these occasions, it says that a ship is safe in the harbor, but what is a ship made for? A ship is safe in the harbor, but what is a ship made for? But they're launching so many wonderful ships, orators, and as Pratikon ma'am said, poets and writers and sportsmen and singers and dancers and eloquent speakers, and more than that, loving students. It's very difficult for a teacher. It's actually as difficult it is for you. It is also in the same way very difficult for us to see you all sailing away. All the wonderful ships, smiling faces today, and I wish time could stand still. And every year I think समय रुक जाए और समय का ये पल रुक जाए, लेकिन क्योंकि आप लोगों को जाना है, and you have come to go, get ready and go into the world, conquer the world is the word. Come back to us, because we'll always be waiting for you and waiting to hear your stories about what you did, how you used. A lot of our students come back and tell us कि हमने ये सीखा और ऐसे संडे में वो सीखी हुई चीज़ हमारे काम आई. So we are very happy with that. And some parents come to us and say that my children are doing so well because they had a good schooling. And sometimes some students come to us and say, good that you scolded me. I'm very happy that so-and-so teacher was telling me, do this and do that. At that time I was feeling, ये शायद मेरे टीचर मुझे बहुत डांट रहे हैं. और एक बच्चा तो हमारे पास आया कहने के सर, do you remember you once slapped me? I said, I never slapped anybody. But he said, नहीं सर, थोड़ा सा आपने मुझे बहुत जोर से डांटा था. थोड़ा सा बहुत जोर से डांटा था. So I said, okay, it might be मैंने थोड़ा सा जोर से डांटा था. But what happened? He said, now I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So I didn't attribute my scolding to any such great victories. But what I want to tell you is that समय का ये पल बिल्कुल रुक जाता है, and we try to, every year we see this thing, that such a great reservoir of talent, such a great reservoir of talent goes out
And sometimes we are left thinking, oh, we worked so hard with them, but now they have to go. But then we worked so hard with you only to let you go. Because they say, if you love somebody, let them fly away. And the more you love somebody, just the more independence and freedom you should give that person. Love is not putting somebody in a golden cage. सोने के पिंजरे में रख के, that is not going to happen. Look who's talking. And well, ma'am says, look who's talking, because I never let people go. But that not to the children, but to my staff. They are in a golden cage.
I also join hands with Chairman Sir in wishing all of you a very, very happy future. Because as Sir rightly said, yes, you have to go. You know, there was a movie, Ye Duniya Ek Rangamanch Hai, and we have to play our parts and then say bye-bye to the stage. So if this was the stage, Sanvi, I'm sure, and I'm very confident that we have put in the right values in each one of you. And wherever you go, wherever you stand, wherever you take up a job or do a business, I'm sure you will stand out and you will stand out for a cause and you will never compromise with your ethics. So that is what values have to be cherished, all of you. Always remember that being good is very important. Only then you will be able to respect yourself. Being honest is very important. You may win a small game, a small race, or a small test by, going the wrong way or doing cheating. But then somewhere you have to face yourself. You don't have to face the world. And I want all of you, once you become adult or successful, when you see yourself in the mirror, you should be able to, yes, I did the right way. So with this, lots of blessings to each one of you for your board exams. And yes, we will forever be waiting for you. Come back to Sunbeam, along with me and Sir, the staff, everyone, all the teachers, your lab attendants, even people who are in the support staff, they also feel very excited when you come back. You've seen Meera, how excited she is, and she remembers a lot of children. So that's the connection. You will always, whenever you will hear anything, any beautiful song or any Jai Hind, you will, I'm sure, Jai Hind is one word which will make you remind of Sunbeam. So enjoy this word Jai Hind and live that word Jai Hind. That's my blessing to all of you. God bless.
Jai Hind everyone. Today I am here as a proud class teacher of class F. I am honored and pleased to deliver the farewell speech to my outgoing students of class 12. My dear children, you have completed this part of journey with great achievement and beautiful memories. At the end of the session, I can genuinely claim that my class is really a versatile class. It has proved its excellence not only in academics but also in number of co-curricular activities such as sport, music, dance and art. I believe you will all excel in your career, that too without compromising with the moral values. Children, getting success is a tough task because it requires a lot of hard work, sincerity, dedication and conviction. But remember, holding success longer is more difficult. At this point of time, I want to implore my students that be a good ambassador of your school. Never compromise with your integrity and ethics. Be kind and good to people. In my parting message, I want to say, don't wait for opportunity to come. Put all possible efforts to grab it. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out to get them. On behalf of all the teachers, members of management, I wish you all the best for your bright future. God bless you all.
My dear young adults, my class is 12G, which was famous for many reasons. I have some very good orator, photographer, painter, very creative people. And few students were famous for other reasons also. I accept I have given you tough time. Believe me, it was all to make you tough and strong. In Sunbeam, we believe in out-of-box thinking. And it was to make you very successful in your life. I know some of the students who were not in their school life, but they have very successful life. जो जुदा होते हैं इतिहास वही लिखते हैं, बाकी सब तो उनके बारे में केवल पढ़ते हैं। परख अगर करनी हो हीरे की तो अंधेरे का इंतजार करो, धूप में तो कांच के टुकड़े भी चमकते हैं। You all are my diamonds, my gems, and I am waiting to see you shining in the sky wherever you go. One mantra I want to share with you. Instead of thinking about yourself, think about others. Do something to help others. That will give you the real happiness and fulfillment in your life. Jai Hind.